But what is life like really for to be a national spokesman of a political party? I'm sure there are many challenges that come along with it. I'm also curious about how does one really, how does the research happen? Does the headquarters send you talking points every day? Are you supposed to read 100 books a day because there are different topics every day? And you're an
So,
expert on foreign policy one day, the economy the next day. So how does it work?
yeah, so okay, disclaimer, I love what I do. I think I'm extremely lucky and I feel blessed every single day of my life to be doing the work that I'm doing because I love it, frankly. Because every day I learn. As you rightly said, one day I'm learning about the Indus Water Treaty, another day I'm learning about Nalanda University. I am learning about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I'm learning about India's relationship with a country. So every day you learn something new. And that's great because life is a learning curve. And the more you keep teaching yourself, the better it is. Challenges, of course, challenges exist because the glamour of it might be just that one picture that is visible on screen. But imagine the amount of work which goes behind all that talking. So if you are speaking for 1 minute on national news, how much preparation would go behind that 1 minute? You have to be sure of what you want to convey. Your ideology has to be absolutely clear. You cannot afford to misquote. Usually, the research that goes in is maybe 50 times more than what you are putting out on television because, any question can be thrown at you. And no, nobody is WhatsApping me points while I'm speaking on TV every single night. But broad guidelines come from the party. There is obviously a party line that everyone follows. But then it's up to us, and then it's up to us to build on those guidelines and do our own political storytelling. BJP has a lot of spokespersons who are on news every single day, and everyone has their own distinct style of telling the same aspect that we are trying to explain to people. So I like to think that I have developed my own way of communicating, and I like it. Like I
That
said, I
seems like
love
a lot of
it.
hard work behind
It is,
the.
but tell me what is not hard work. You practice law, it's a lot of hard work. You're doing a podcast now. I just noticed the amount of work which goes behind just setting this up. Everything is hard work. And if you want to do something, you must do your best at it. Politics is also something which is service. You want to do things for yourself, yes. Everyone has ambitions. That's why you're in politics and not merely in social service. But at the same time, the intention to serve is paramount. So when I talk about anything that my party needs conveyed, I look at it from the point of view of explaining something to people who are watching us. Maybe there is a technicality which is missing most people. Can I simplify it? Can I make it easier? Can I explain our policy in a way which makes our political party better understood by the citizens of our country? And yeah, that's where I drive my inspiration from.